Hello everybody who are following us. Today we are going to show you how you can repair yourself your dead phone at home. It means what? It means that we are going to show you from A to Z what is the charging port, how to repair it or replace it. Now we have the type C. Today we have the type C. We are going to work on the type C. Let's start. Now we are going to start. But before we start, let me tell you about charging port and this type C. So look at this phone. You see this charging port. This charging port is C. The type of this charging port is C. It is different from other Android phone. Sometimes we call it phantome charging port, but it's not good. This type of charging port is found on many Android phones. Nowadays Android phones are having this type of charging port. Look at where you will find it on some tecno phones, itel phones, oppo phones, redmi, and so on. And many Samsungs are having this type of charging port. Yes. Okay, so today we are going to show you how you can repair it or replace it yourself at home or anywhere. But you must have these things that I'm going to tell you. You must have a workstation. You must have soldering and the soldering flags with the soldering paste. And you have to get new charging port from the sellers. At the market there are many of charging ports. They are sold at the market. Yeah, you have to get it, and then I'm going to show you how you can replace it. Before you replace it, you have to remove the former one. Yes, the dead one. Okay, you can't repair this unless this one is dead. If it is not dead, don't try to change it. It is not necessary to use it. So when the charging port is dead, what will happen? When the charging port is dead, it means that your phone will never charge, or if it charges, it will take more time to charge. It may take about 4 hours or 5 hours, but in normal case your phone will take 1 hour to be full charged. So let me show you how you can do it yourself at home, or if you are a mobile repairman who doesn't know how to do it, you are welcome to see. We are welcome to watch this video until the end. Don't jump. You have to follow it until it finished. So at the end you will be able to repair it yourself without contacting any technician. Or if you fail, you can contact me, or you can contact me on Facebook, on WhatsApp, on Gmail. Everywhere you will see me, or at my office you can come to see me in order to be helped. So let's start. Thank you. Okay, let's go. Now you see that we wanna start. Okay, get wire, weak wire, soldering flags, soldering paste, weak wire. See the weak wire. We have to add some paste on the motherboard so that it will be easy to clean the motherboard, the place of charging port. Okay, now we use iron soldering. Iron solder. Okay, you see now I'm using the weak wire to clean the place of charging ports. I'm cleaning. Okay. Yeah. After cleaning the motherboard, I have to add some flags on the new charging port so that it gets good pads. Yeah. Okay. So after put flags, I'm going to use the iron to melt the new flags. Okay, you see. Okay, now I want to install the charging port on the motherboard. On this motherboard, yeah. I'm going to use the workstation, or you may call it blower. So we have to heat up slow with a low temperature. Heat up. Now I'm adjusting. Yes. Okay, I finished to heat up. Now I finished to heat up. You see that is correctly connected. Yeah, this was so that okay, you see that I finished to install it on the motherboard. Now I'm going to put some flags on the pads so that it becomes strong. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to use the iron soldering. In order to make strong the charging port pad. Charging port is pad. Yes, the pad will become strong. after that we will check if it is well done. Thanks for watching this video. See you soon in the next video. Yeah, don't forget to click on subscribe, click on the bell. Yeah, thanks again.